Okay, in this video, I want to share to you about how to make a Scandinavian house with a wood bench in the front. Okay, first of all, we have to make the basic shape with using rotate rectangle. You can click this rotate rectangle tools and click from the origin and drag to the another side. We can type 5 meter and enter, and we can drag to the behind around 10 meter and enter. Okay, and after that we can click this surface and select, and you can select the push pull and click the surface, push it up. We can move it up around 5 meter and enter. Okay, so this is about the basic shape of the Scandinavian house. Then we can select the line and click from this middle until the behind on the middle. Okay, then we can click this line and select move and move it up approximately around 2 meter. Okay, so this is about the basic shape of the Scandinavian and the roof. And after that we can click this line like this. We can click this line and offset inside around 400 millimeter. Then we can push it to the behind just a little bit around 300 millimeter, enter. Okay, and after that we can click this line, this vertical line, select move and click this corner, okay, and place to this position. Then we can type 3 slash and enter. Okay, and after that we can click this line, select move, tap control and place to this position. Okay, and then we can continue the line like this. We can continue the line like this, and we can click this line and select move, tap control and move it up around 2.4 meter and enter. Okay, and we can continue the line again in here and continue the line again in here. So this is about the single door, single glazing door in this Scandinavian house in here. Okay, then we can assign the materials. Anyway, I've prepared about the existing I've prepared about the material library from my drive. We can add more materials. We can click the directory of the materials. Okay, then we can select the wood materials in here. This is for example, and select OK, and we can assign that one, and we can assign the texture scale. Okay, we can select the texture and rotate the scale in here like this, and we can also add the space. We can add the separation of the materials over there like this. Then we can adjust about the texture by following this orientation of shape like this. We can use the rotate on this materials adjustment. Okay, so it will be perfect. Then we can select the glazing. We can use this blue glazing materials like this, and we can assign about these materials. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, we can assign the appropriate materials over there like this, and then we can select this line. Okay, we can select this line and select move, tap control, move to the behind around 400 millimeter and assign about the materials. I'm sorry. We can assign about the materials. We can create the appropriate materials. Okay, and then we can make the roofing. We can select the roof metal in here, and also we can adjust the scale. Okay, just like this, and adjust about the color like this. So this is about the basic concept of the Scandinavian house, and I will make another elements. I will make the okay. Anyway, we can also change the glazing color. You can change with the clear glazing or another color of the glazing. Okay, and we can also make it group first. Okay, then we can make the side. We can make the side in here first. Actually, we have to make the side first, then make the meshing. But in this tutorial, I reverse this progress. I reverse this step anyway. Okay, then we can click this line and select move to this position. Okay, now we can make the swimming pool. Basic shape of the swimming pool in here. Okay, so the width of the swimming pool is around 4 meter, and we can set it outside around 300 millimeter. And we can select about the concrete materials in here. We can select the water materials in here, and I think we can make it more larger about the texture. We can make it more realistic. Okay, and after that we can make the landscaping. We can use the landscaping element in here to make it more realistic. Then okay, don't forget to add landscaping in here with using landscaping tools in this area. Okay, we can make the beautiful landscape in here. Okay, and then we can assign about the landscaping materials over there, and I've already prepared the palm tree, and then we can copy and place and just paste in the appropriate position on it. Okay, we can make a duplication for every single palm tree, and then I'll make the bench. I will make the wood bench in the front or in the side in here. First of all, we have to create the rectangle for any size. For the width is around 600 millimeter approximately. Then we can click the surface and push it up around. Okay, we can push it up around 450. Okay, and we can make the variation. We can make the curve with using 2-point arc like this, and we can also make the another curve with variation. In this, we can make the diagonal line over there, and we can make the curve with 2-point arc and erase some unnecessary line, and we can push it until the behind. Okay, we can push until the limit. Okay, then we can click this line. Can click this line and offset it inside around 40 millimeter and push it to the back until the limit also. Okay, then we can make it fewer than before. Okay, we can make group or make component, create. We can select the wood materials. Okay, I think this is the good materials for the wood. Okay, we have already make a component. Then we can select move, type control, and place to this position, and we can move this a little bit around 20 for the space. Then we can select move, type control, place to this position. Then we can type x12. We can try. Okay, so this is about the bench, about the wood bench. This is a large wood bench. We can make it smaller than before, and okay, we can make the another connection. So this is about the little connection of the woodworking. This is the little connection of the woodworking of this bench in the front of Scandinavian house. So we can adjust about the colors. Okay, we can move to the appropriate position for strengthen about the construction of this woodworking bench. We can duplicate. We can type 5/enter. Okay, so we can duplicate again. Okay, I think it's enough. Then we can also select all these bench elements. Okay, then we can select move, type control, and place to this position, or we can flip along on the red, and we can move the people in here. Okay, we can move the people in okay, near the bench. And we can also move the bench into the attractive position over there. This is for relaxing and much more. Okay, I think this is a good position. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, like on this video and this channel, and have a good day.